Structure, as you already know, in C, structure has multiple fields, but what happens in structure, like in Matlab, you can dynamically change the size of the structure in a way. Yeah. Can you type CLC and clear all subsequently? Yeah. Yeah. Clear all maybe. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So as you know, the variable got clear. Okay. Now suppose I want to create a structure whose name is something. So can you create a variable? Any variable name? Yeah. Any name you can give equal to. Yeah. Give any name. This will be the structure name. H. Yeah. And dot. Yeah. Any field. This will be the field. Okay. Enter. Okay. Now what is actually happening, like it is not able to resolve the name because it is both are having left and right side are variables, not values. So what we can do, h dot field equal to, you can type maybe, yeah, h dot field equal to in string means in quotes, single quotes. Yeah, maybe your name and then quotes close, enter. Yeah, enter. Yeah. So as you can see, the structure diagram left side looks different compared to the usual data type. Usual data type is matrix format. Yeah. So suppose I want to add one more field, field 2, maybe you can add h dot field 2. In the same structure, we will add field 2. Yeah, dot equal to maybe some numbers, or yeah, some numbers maybe. Yeah. Yeah, enter. Maybe, yeah, with this is a character that you have entered, maybe you can have some numbers also. Field 3. Yeah, field 3, you can have some numbers, only numbers without quotes. Yeah, enter. Yeah. So as you are able to see, like the structure, when I'm adding new fields, it is updating and the size is increasing, right? Usually this don't happens in C and yeah, all those type of things. Same same type of things happens for the all type of data type, for cell as well as matrix. So yeah, so that user will not get any error if he wants to store some fields additionally. Suppose in the programming, in the meanwhile, it get means something came into his mind, then yeah, in that point of time, yeah, it will able to add. Yeah.
How
So
the structure is defined, sir? Like
can you
creating.
maybe you can double click on the left side in the workspace, if where you can see all the yeah, you can see all the fields that are being created. Okay. Yeah, how your variable looks like, the complete structure. Left side names, below names, h is there. Yeah. In the workspace, yeah, double click on that variable h, left side. Yeah, down. Yeah, yeah, there. Then it will open the data. then it will show you the like how the fields are being arranged.
Okay.
Field is character, and
Okay.
yeah, then the last one is the matrix format or the by default data type. Suppose now if you want to run and check what are the variable data type
Mm.
for individual levels. Suppose first
Yes.
level H you want to check, then second level H dot field you want to check. So that also you can use class functions, and yeah, you can have a look like how means whether it is working fine or not. Yeah. If you type class bracket open bracket close inside bracket H, then yeah, it will give you structure.
That's it.
Yeah. Struct. Okay, dynamically, suppose I have a for loop and I want to run my for loop. Then
Mm.
in that case, I will have like multiple arrays of okay, this till now we have seen only I will cover a next data type, then we will go arrays of data, then it will
Oh,
not be, yeah.